Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Let's take our second part in our unit 7, Zoo Animals Escape. Here we will take the grammar. Let's see the verbs. Number 1, wash the car. Wash the car. 2, put on makeup. Put on makeup. 3, talk on the phone. Talk on the phone. 4, take a nap. Take a nap. 5, climb a tree. Climb a tree. 6, read a newspaper. Read a newspaper. 7, feed the birds. Feed the birds. 8, chop vegetables. Chop vegetables. 9, watch TV. Watch TV. 10, take out the rubbish. Take out the rubbish. Here, in the second part, you can say the same verbs, but with ing. We will take, or we have already known that after am, is, are, was, or were, verb ing. And here, we will talk the question in past continuous tense. Like this example, what were you doing when the camel walked by? Or what was he doing when the camel walked by? The answer, we were washing the car when the camel walked by. He was washing the car when the camel walked by. Let's see in this picture. We have 8 small pictures. We wanted to make a question in past continuous tense, but contains when and the sentence of when. Let's see, for example, number 1. What were you doing when the deer ran by? Is the answer. I was talking on the phone when the deer ran by. Number 4, for example. What was she doing when the kangaroo hopped by? She was taking out. Please edit this. Take, T-A-K-E. When we put ing, cancel it and put ing. She was taking out the rubbish when the kangaroo hopped by. Let's see number 5, for example. What were they doing when the lion walked by? The answer, they were feeding the birds when the lion walked by. So, when you wanted to make a question in past continuous tense, contains when, question word, when, where, what, and so on, helping verb, was or were, subject, I, we, you, they with were, but he, she, it with was, and then the verb ing. After it, the second part, when, and the sentence of when. Here, let's take our reading part. Welcome to Cairo Zoo's giant panda home. Poop and Lily, our giant pandas. Poop is 15 years old. Lily is 20 years old. Here are some facts about the giant pandas. Number 1, when giant pandas are born, they weigh 80 to 140 grams. Adults usually weigh 80 to 125 kilos. 2, giant pandas eat bamboo. They don't hibernate in the winter because they have to eat 8 to 6 kilos of bamboo every day. They eat for 12 to 16 hours daily. 3. Giant pandas walk or run on all four legs. They can climb trees and swim. Giant pandas live in the mountains of China. They are endangered. Around 700 to 1,000 pandas are alive today. Here are our new words. Number 1, giant, which means very, very big. Fact, something true. About means nearly. Born, became alive. Hibernate, don't be away in the winter. Endangered, to be in danger. Around, nearly. Alive, can eat, breathe, and live. Let's see this exercise. How much from this passage, how much do adults giant pandas weigh? They weigh from 80 to 125 kilos. What do giant pandas eat? Giant pandas eat bamboo. Why don't giant pandas hibernate? Because they have to eat 8 to 16 kilos of bamboos every day. Bamboo. How many giant pandas are alive today? Around 700 to 1,000 pandas are alive today. Now, let's see another exercise. What were you doing when the pair walked by? You can use the verbs in the books. For example, I can say, I was eating sandwich when the pair walked by. What were you doing when the deer ran by? I was watching TV when the deer ran by. What were you doing when the parrot flew by? By, in all the questions, means next. I was walking to school when the parrot flew by. Then, we have finished our lesson. Goodbye and good luck.